Hello and welcome back. If you're just joining me, my name is Hoon. My channel is all about making better coffee at home. Today we are going to make coffee outside. Okay, we are going to go for a short walk up in Sabine Canyon. We are living in Tucson. Sabine Canyon is at their national park here, so we're gonna go for a walk there, and then let's make some delicious coffee. But meantime, let me show you what I have. So I have San Antonio Industry Millwright coffee grinder. We're gonna take that, and then so this is my little canister for the coffee beans, and we are going to measure out 20 gram there. Obviously, we have our V60, and the San Antonio Industry small kettle. We are going to take that to the little walk, and this is Camelback. Okay, it's called multi beverage. My plan is I'm going to put hot water in it here. So we are going to save some time when we are boiling water, and after that we are going to brew V60 into this cup. So this is a vacuum sealed coffee canister, coffee mug. So it's gonna stay and nice and warm for a long time. It's gonna be fantastic. Obviously we have the butane, and then this is my tiny outdoor burner. Okay, so this is gonna be really nice to use. And then I think I'm gonna bring my scare as well, just in case. Meantime, let's boil some water. I'm going to measure out some beans here. I'm planning on using 20 gram. So now we are ready to go. So let's go make some coffee in outdoor. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Actually put a lot more than. It's funny because there's so much stronger Dad?
Let's pour some water here. So let's make some coffee here. So I'm gonna use bottom up my multi cup as my base. There. I'm gonna start with, I'm just gonna wash my paper first. Okay. Here we go. I'm just gonna start with like 60 gram first. I wish I brought my spoon here, but unfortunately I don't have. My blooming phase is done. I'm just gonna start pouring nice and easy. I like to do 1 to 20 ratio. So 20 gram in, like 300 gram out. Nice and slowly. I'm just gonna put the rest of the water in here. I'm looking for around 300 grams of water. Total extraction time of like 3 minutes or so. We'll see how it goes here. I have to say this smells wonderful. Now let's try this. It's perfect weather outside right now. This is just absolutely beautiful out. Okay, cheers everybody. Wow, just really nice and hot. Just bring warmth in your body as well. So this thing is perfect. Okay, so this one I used a multi-bath from Camelback. So I already prepared the hot water here. So as you saw, only takes about maybe not even a minute to boil the hot water. And so great thing about this multi-bath, check this out. So you can actually have, I'm gonna move the top here. Comes with this black cap here. So top for that. So now this one become my top cover for my coffee. So I'm gonna drink that for the rest of way out. So it's gonna be fantastic. Anyways, the coffee is delicious. Again, the San Antonio industry, the kettle was works perfectly. I guess the star of this, this coffee bar is my San Antonio, the Millwright coffee grinder. Does an amazing job. If you're looking for like pour over coffee or French press, this is where to go. Anyway, so I think it's a perfect setup for outdoor setup, camping trip, or even go on a small hike like what we did this morning. And this is just an amazing setup here. So anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, thumbs up for me. And what else? Follow me on Instagram as well. And see you guys tomorrow morning.